You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
This is the first test run that he did with his plane. It looks like it's flying good.
Hey guys, TSO Day. Got a flight video today of the Bixler 1.1 version 2. I just got this plane in the mail today and just threw it together real quick in about 20 minutes or so because we were in a hurry to go visit a lady out by the airport, so I figured, hey, be an awesome chance to test fly the Bixler. And so yeah, this is the first flight of that. I didn't do an unboxing or anything like that. I figured there's enough videos of that on YouTube, and my wife is filming, and this is the first flight. I hope you guys enjoy it. It was actually raining right now, kind of a heavy mist, so it's kind of dark and misty, but I just couldn't wait to fly this thing. So hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. So this is my only flight on this thing, and I can already tell you it glides amazingly well. Just with no power, it just soars really nice. And this is going to be an awesome plane to put GoPros and movable FPV cameras and things like that on. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be my long range, kind of slow soarer for video.